Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Changkuoth Nyak. In today's top stories, President Salva Kiir removed SPLM members and replaced multiple officials within the SPLM. President Salva Kiir has removed MuochT, a member of the Transitional National Legislative Assembly, representing the SPLM without giving a public reason. MuochT from Nasser in Upper Nile State was the acting chairperson of the SPLM National Committee on Foreign Relations. He has been outspoken on issue of constitutional reform, federalism and justice, and has regularly condemned attack on civilians in Upper Nile. The announcement was made on the state-run South Sudan Broadcasting Corporation. MuochT responded by saying he could not comment on his removal. The SPLM viewed the move as a violation of the 2018 peace agreement power-sharing deal. Political analysts warned it could increase tension between the peace partners. Other government change in the same set of presidential decree. Kiir replaced several ministers and county commissioners across multiple states in western Barghazal state. The SPLM legal affairs advisor, Teresa Enwat Ading, was replaced by Elizabeth Mario Masuma. Other dismissals include Angelo Enir, Minister of Cabinet Affairs, Rudolph Adri Ujasa, Minister of Parliamentary and Legal Affairs, Ibrahim Sur Ibrahim, Minister of Cooperative and Rural Development, Elizabeth Mario Masuma, Minister of Gender, Child and Social Welfare, Juma Abdaljur, Minister of Housing and Public Utilities. New ministers appointed include Rodolphe Adri, Cabinet Affairs, Enir Dor, Parliamentary Affairs, Mario Nibango, John, Cooperative and Rural Development, Mary Carolina Mat, Gender, Child and Social Welfare, Peter Deng, Matthew Akre, Housing and Public Utilities, and several county commissioners were also replaced, including Ju River and Wau counties. Well, MuochT from the Nuer ethnic group rose in SPLM politics after signing of the 2018 revitalized peace agreement. After the SPLM and Kiir government signed the revitalized peace agreement, he has been a strong voice for marginalized communities and a critic of authoritarianism. Despite losing his parliamentary seat, he remained active in SPLM politics and warned that the silencing the opposition threatened the peace process. In other news, Ugandan President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni is currently in Cairo on a 3-day state visit. He arrived on Monday and was warmly received by Egypt Minister of Water Resources and Irrigation, Dr. Annie, and member of the Ugandan delegation. During the visit, President Museveni and Abdel Fattah of Egypt are expected to hold high-level talks to boost cooperation between their countries. The visit will include signing important agreements, a joint press conference, and a business forum aimed at increasing trade, investment, and development between Uganda and Egypt. Before departing from Entebbe Airport, President Museveni was seen off by top Ugandan officials, showing the importance of this trip. This visit is set to strengthen the long-standing friendship and economic ties between Uganda and Egypt. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more news update from Changkuoth Nyak YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell to stay informed about the latest stories. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.